Do yourself a favor and love wisdom. Learn all you can and watch your life flourish and prosper. Proverbs 19 verse 8. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hair installation video, and today I am featuring West Coast Hair. So they sent me their HD Lace 28-inch 250% density curly wig, and I'm just going to be installing that today. I've already bleached and plucked the knots off camera just to save time. I have loads of videos where I bleach and pluck on camera, so you can check those out. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the lace. As you can see, there's a little part in the front. When this wig came, the hairline wasn't custom to my head shape. I always like to make sure the hairline are, suit my hairline before I install, or else it's just going to look weird and unrealistic. So that part is a part that I plucked out and I braided it away so that when I cut the lace, I make sure that I cut that too. And when you cut the lace, you always want to cut in a jagged motion. If you prefer to use the razor, like most people use the razor, the eyebrow razor, because that can give the jagged effect, you can use that, or you could just use scissors and go in like a zigzag motion. I prefer scissors because I feel like I have more control. Like with the comb, I feel like, with the razor, I feel like I could just mess up and cut the entire lace in half. So yeah, after I've cut the lace, I always use got to be. I'm not really a glue babe. You should know this by now if you're on my channel. I don't really use glue a lot because it just doesn't sit right with me sometimes. So I use it occasionally. I can't use it on a day-to-day. I only use got to be on a day-to-day. Glue, I can't do it. So I use got to be. And the trick with got to be is you want to install your lace whilst it's wet. Don't wait for it to dry. You want to install your lace whilst, as soon as you've sprayed it on and it's in place, put your lace down. And I kid you not, your lace will stay in place. My lace can last up to 2 days melted if you do this procedure correctly. So yeah, I do that. And then after I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my band just to melt the lace into my skin. my spray bottle one just to find the curls on the frontal, because obviously they even messed up due to plucking. Now, this part is where it gets interesting. I'm going to take my wax stick and I'm going to braid the hair. I feel like keeping it out is just boring sometimes, so I wanted to jazz it up a bit and just braid the front. So I'm going to part, then I'm going to braid the hair. One thing I did do on the other side off camera is I applied curling custard to the hair, and that made the braiding process so much easier. So I would advise applying, making it wet or damp whilst you braid it. It makes it so much easier. It doesn't get tangled or anything. So yeah, that's what I did, and I absolutely love how it came out. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to create some baby hairs, exaggerated baby hairs, by the way. And yeah, I'm going to do the method where people curl the hair and then they use the spray to lay it down. This process is longer than using just mousse, but I feel like it looks more natural when you do it this way. So now that I've done the edges, everything's gonna be easy. I feel like I could pluck this a little bit more, but I don't want to over pluck. So yeah, as I said, I've done the edges now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to define the curls at the back using my spray bottle of water and the Curl Lala curling custard. So yeah, then I'm gonna put concealer in my part, and that's me done. So this is the final look. I've just gone in and I put concealer in the pot, and yeah, I have to find the curls. They've been like this for 10 minutes, so I'm hoping they're gonna stay like this, you know, for the entire day. This is how long it is on me, all the way to my hips, and I believe this is 26 inches. And when it first came, this hair would have been, it was very, very poofy, and as you can see, it's tamed very, very nicely. The parting space on this, even though it's a 13×4, the parting space is really, really good. Like, it went all the way here. Like, I was able to part here to make it look realistic, and the track stops all the way here. So maybe it's a 13×6 they gave me, I don't know, but the parting space is amazing. The lace itself melted nicely into my skin. The hair plucked very easily. I don't think I have any cons about this hair, like, for real, honestly. I don't have any cons. Lace was this close to not fitting my head, but it fit, so they're lucky. That would have been my con, but it fit my head, as you can see. All the details on this hair will be in the description box down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one.